Hello to all my friends out there. So, eventually we have to eat dinner. So I made myself a pretty decent dinner, and it wasn't expensive either. It was very cheap. Ooh, these are the worst matches. I was hoping I wouldn't live to regret the fact that I was determined to try to light this. Let's see. I hope everyone is doing okay, especially if you live in Los Angeles or Orange County, or if you live in any of these places that are having storms. It's very awful. Or if you're living in Mexico, that's pretty bad right now too. So the first thing I made was a pizza. Let me see if I can show you. And this is a cheap pizza. But this is, hot pizza. Let's see, I'll try to give you a little shot of the pizza. Yes. I doubt this pizza costs $1. You know, it's one of the easiest things to make. It really is. What I used was, I used my Walmart pizza crust mix. I usually make flatbread out of this, but it's really good pizza. Then I just put some canned mushrooms and some Walmart pizza sauce, and I had some mozzarella cheese from Walmart. And so then, just like if I was going out, I'm going to have a little crushed red pepper. This is actually a pretty good pizza. And some Parmesan cheese. I was going to put sausage on my pizza, but I thought, no, I have a lot of chicken. So I made, this piece of chicken was huge. It was like a turkey leg. I bought it at Walmart, the chicken legs. So I just poured oil and I roasted my chicken at 350. And then when it was almost done, I just turned the heat up to 450 to make my pizza. And I left the chicken leg in there. And then when it was almost done, I had some wing sauce. So this is a pretty decent little meal, an at-home meal. Take a look at this, you guys. The chicken legs are about 75 cents each. And then I have some icy cold tea that was left over from yesterday. And then earlier today, I made this fruit cup. All it is some strawberry yogurt and some frozen strawberries. And I have some popcorn. And I bought this Jell-O at 99 cents only. So these were about 12.5 cents each, cherry Jell-O. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. God bless you all.